Hello Junior 4, how are you? Hope you all are fine. In this video, we will answer exercises on lesson 4. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Number 1. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Both of human and fish blink. Letter A. Can breathe in air. B. Can breathe in water. C. Use oxygen gas to breathe in. D. Use carbon dioxide gas to breathe in. Both human and fish use oxygen gas to breathe in. So we will choose letter C. Number 2. Fish use blank to breathe in water. A. Tail. B. Eyes. C. Lungs. D. Gills. Fish use gills to breathe in water. So we will choose letter D. Number 3. Gills differ from lungs in that gills blink, take in oxygen gas, expel out carbon dioxide gas, extract oxygen gas from water, extract oxygen gas from air. Gills differ from lungs in that gills extract oxygen gas from water. So we will choose letter C. Number 4. Gills in fish are considered as blank. Behavioral adaptation, structural adaptation, camouflage adaptation, behavioral and structural adaptations. Gills are structural adaptations. So we will choose letter B. Number 5. All of the following human activities can negatively affect the nature except cutting down forests, removing air pollutants, farming and clearing lands, throwing wastes in waterways. All the following human activities can negatively affect the nature except removing air pollutants, because removing air pollutants can positively affect the nature. So we will choose letter B. Number 6. Human activities and bad habits can pollute blank of an ecosystem. Air and soil only, soil and waterways only, air and waterways only, air, soil, and waterways. Human activities can pollute air, soil, and waterways. So we will choose letter D. Number 7. Pollution of an ecosystem can affect plants and animals only, animals and humans only, humans and plants only, plants, animals, and humans. Pollution of an ecosystem can affect plants, animals, and humans. So we will choose letter D. Number 8. If the environment is changed, plants blank to survive and grow. Must have a taproot, must have patrous roots, must decrease their adaptation, must land their seeds in another better place. If the environment is changed, plants must land their seeds in another better place. So we will choose letter D. Number 9. From the negative effects of human activities on the human health are lung damage and asthma, wounds and asthma, heart problems and wounds, lung damage and wounds. From the negative effects of human activities are lung damage and asthma. So we will choose letter A. Number 10. Human can help restoring ecosystem by all the following activities except replanting the cleared forests, removing air and water pollutants, producing more factories exhausts, preserving existed plants and animals. Human can help restoring ecosystem by all the following except what? Producing more factories exhausts. So we will choose letter C. Now we will choose question number 2, which is put true or false. Number 1. Human breathes using gills while fish breathes using lungs. Human breathes using gills or lungs? So the answer is false. Number 2. Gills are found on one side of a fish's head. One side or both sides? So the answer is false. Number 3. Both of lungs and gills take carbon dioxide gas inside the body and release oxygen gas outside the body. Take carbon dioxide gas or take oxygen gas? So the answer is false. Number 4. Gills are unique structural adaptation that allow fish to live and breathe underwater. True. Number 5. As human needs clean water to drink, fish needs clean air to breathe. Fish need clean air to breathe or need water to breathe? So the answer is false. Number 6. Cutting down rainforests may cause disappearance of starred agama. Starred agama live in rainforest or desert? So the answer is wrong. Throwing waste materials in waterways is one of the bad habits that must be stopped. Yes, true. Number 8. The way of survival of animals differ from that of plants if the ecosystem is changed. Yes, true. Number 9. Pollution is one of the most dangerous problems that affect all living organisms. True. Number 10. Respiratory problems like lung damage and asthma occur when water pollution is high over a long period of time. Water pollution or air pollution? So the answer is false. Number 11. Humans can restore ecosystem as well as they can harm it. Yes, true. Number 12. When the pollution level in a city is very high, people are forced to change their lifestyle. Yes, true. Now we will answer question number 3, which is correct, the underlined words. Number 1. Fish use gills to extract carbon dioxide gas from the water. The wrong word is carbon dioxide gas. So the answer is oxygen gas. Number 2. Air enters the mouth of a fish and then passes across the gills. The wrong word is air. So the answer is water. Number 3. Blood vessels of lungs and gills are similar in carrying carbon dioxide gas to all the body parts. Not carbon dioxide gas, but the answer is oxygen gas. Number 4. Gills are unique behavioral adaptation that allow fish to breathe underwater? Behavioral adaptation or structural adaptation? So the right answer is structural adaptation. Number 5. When an ecosystem is completely polluted, animals only are affected. Animals only or animals, plants, and humans? So the right answer is animals, plants, and humans. Number 6, the last one. Water pollution is caused due to the smog of factories and cars. Water pollution or air pollution? So the right answer is air pollution. Now we will answer question number 4, which is write the scientific term. Number 1. Structures that allow fish to breathe underwater. Gills. Number 2. A gas present in air and water and is very important for breathing process. Oxygen gas. Number 3. A gas which the human and fish bodies must get rid of during exhalation process. Carbon dioxide gas. Number 4. A kind of pollution that is caused due to throwing waste materials into the water and soil. Water pollution. Number 5, the last one. A kind of pollution that is caused due to the exhausts from cars and some factories. Air pollution. Now we will answer question number 5, which is complete the following sentences. Number 1. Human use blank to breathe, while fish use blank to breathe. Human use lungs to breathe, while fish use gills to breathe. Number 2. In both human and fish, blank carries oxygen gas to all body parts. In both human and fish, blood carries oxygen gas to all body parts. Number 3. Gills of fish are considered as blank adaptation that allow fish to breathe underwater. Gills of fish are considered as structural adaptation. Number 4. Human activities and bad habits can pollute blank and soil of an ecosystem. Human activities and bad habits can pollute air, water, and soil of an ecosystem. Number 5. All living organisms, including humans, animals, and blank, are affected negatively by pollution. All living organisms, including human, animals, and plants, are affected negatively by pollution. Number 6. One of air pollutants that makes a human hard to breathe is smog. Number 7. When air pollution is very high over a long period of time, it may cause blank and heart disease to human. When air pollution is very high over a long period of time, it may cause damage of lungs and asthma. Now we will answer question number 6, which is give reasons for. Number 1. Gills are very important organ for fish. Because gills help fish to extract oxygen gas from water for breathing. Number 2. Cars and factories exhausts cause breathing problems. because they produce smog, which causes damage of lungs, asthma, and heart disease. Number 3, the last one. Sometimes people in big cities must change their lifestyle. To what? To decrease air pollution. To decrease air pollution. Now we will answer question number 7, which is what happens if? Number 1. Human activities and bad habits increases. The pollution of air and water and soil will increase. The pollution of air, water, and soil will increase. Number 2. The exhausts of cars and factories increase in big cities. So, smog increase, causing breathing problems like damage of lungs and asthma and heart disease. Number 3. Water pollution increase for human and fish. Humans can't get clean water to drink, and fish can't get clean water to breathe. Now let's answer question number 8. Look at the opposite figures, then answer the questions. Number 1. The death of fish in figure 1 may happen due to clearing lands, soil pollution, water pollution, cutting forests. The right answer is water pollution, so we will choose letter C. Number 2. In your opinion, the smog produced from the factories in figure 2 may cause blank in the ecosystem: increasing of air pollution, decreasing of air pollution, keeping the lungs of human healthy, increasing the number of plants and animals. Increasing of air pollution, so we will choose letter A. The last question in exercise on lesson 4, question number 9. Look at the opposite figure, then complete the following sentences using the words below. The choices are oxygen, gills, carbon dioxide, behavioral, structural. Number 1. Arrow number 1 represents blank of fish which allow it to breathe underwater. Number 1 represents gills. Number 2. Arrow number 2 represents water enters the mouth of fish carrying blank gas, carrying oxygen gas. Number 3. Arrow number 3 represents water that comes out of fish body carrying blank gas, carrying carbon dioxide gas. Number 4. The organ of fish which is responsible for breathing is considered as blank adaptation. Is considered as structural adaptation. That's all about our video today. Thank you and see you soon in another video.